Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Britney Louise. If this is your first time dropping by my channel, hey, how you doing? Hello, hello, hey, hello, hello. You guys clicked on the channel and you got the right one today. Let me tell you why. I'm about to give you my honest opinion on how I felt about the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette, the Pro Filtr Amplified Eyeshadow Primer. We are also here to review the Flyliner. So I have so much to say about everything that I picked up from Sephora. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, I'm going to go ahead and politely ask that you subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates for when I upload. Let's go ahead and get this party started right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and possibly create 1 to 2 looks depending on how I see fit for this Moroccan Spice palette. Opening it, as you guys know, there is a mirror here. It better be $60. There are 16 shades within the palette, and I will go ahead and I will get those swatches for you right now. So the first one is Moroccan Ice, Mirage, Casablanca, Marrakesh, Sahara Stunner, Desert Baked, Evil Genie, Sock It To Me, Nuts and Dates. As y'all see, the mattes were kind of fighting me, but Shisha Smoke, Quicksand is next, Fez Up, Saffron, Cumin Get It, Hennessy, and Spice Trip. Okay, so now that we are back, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the palette. We'll just see how this measures up. Starting off with the primer, I am just placing it all over my lids and rubbing that in. And it seems like it's mixing in with my foundation. That's why you see that little halo that it just started. So let me go ahead and get a brush. I'm literally showing you exactly what I would do on an everyday routine. Everybody does not wake up and do like the same routine. So I'm gonna do my quick, fast, and a hurry routine and see how it works for the everyday girl on the go. Everybody don't have steps. So I normally do, but I want to see how this whole process holds up. There's like a big hole right there. I usually don't have this problem. My eye primer usually does not mix in with my foundation, but this is mixing in with my foundation. So I had to wipe off my first layer of primer to wipe off all of that underneath, and I went back in and I reapplied the primer. I feel that it has like a little bit of a tacky texture to it, or the oils in my fingers seem to be messing with the tackiness from the Pro Filtr eye primer. I'm not sure I like how this looks, and I wiped it away and reapplied. So okay, so I want to just kind of state exactly what I'm thinking in my head, and it seems like every time I go to place my color, it kind of, my eyeshadow pigment down, it kind of gets stuck into that sticky primer. So the color on camera looks really, really good. The color in person, it's not bad. It's like the color is not bad. Okay, I'm switching to my MAC 244S brush. Sorry, y'all, I got a lisp. You know, that's just who I am in life. Okay. So maybe I just needed to switch brushes. Okay. So my blend game is very strong, and these seem to be kind of blending so well that they're making one color, and that's not what I was going for. So I created this berry color. Okay, I have this really pretty intense like red going here, and now it's just, I feel like I gotta pat it on. I'm gonna spray my brush and go from there. And let's see how it picks up. Let's see if that makes a bit of a difference. This color is really, really pretty. So I'm gonna dip into the color, I don't know. It'll be up here. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh, thank goodness the glitter part is saving it, cause like, I don't know if you guys can see it as well in like on your screen, but in person the glitter is like ridiculously popping. So this side I didn't like cut the crease here and added extra primer because I was just kind of scared. Let me add, like I would normally do, I'm gonna add the primer on the other side of my eyes just to see if there's a difference. That's probably enough. I don't want to pat it. I kind of want to just give it like a nice once over. And so I'm gonna let that, you kind of have to let this dry a little, I think, because again it gives like a tacky, it gives off like a really tacky feeling to it. I kind of don't have time to let this get tacky. Like, I'm just thinking about realistically, because everybody's not doing what we see on YouTube. Like, everybody's not doing all these routines. Some people just want to throw their eyeshadow primer on and go. I feel like you kind of got to let this get a little tacky first. I wet my brush one more time, and now I'm going to dip right back into that same glitter, and I'm just gonna pop it right in the center and just see the difference in, you know, pigment placement. Yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not sure I'm feeling the primer. This primer is like a tacky glue. This might be great for glitter though. This primer might just be really good for glitter. I will say that. And I know that this is pressed, like a pressed glitter shimmer, but I'm talking about like hard, chunky glitter. Ooh, I'm not sure I like that. It looks wrinkly now. So now we are going to go ahead and demonstrate the Flyliner and see if the Flyliner is as dope as I think it is, because it looks so incredibly dope. Like, this fine, like super fine point, like makes me feel like I can do all types of eye art. We're just gonna do a little basic line. Ooh, it really gets down at your eyelash line. I have not had an eyeliner get this like deep into my eyelash line without like really having to wiggle it down in there. So kudos to the tip of this Flyliner pen. Ooh. Oh, you better be careful with me. Yes, like that was a perfect point. Wow, that was real effortless. That was real effortless. Like, I'm really thrilled by this. Hold up. Well, where's, hold on. I think I still have, yes. So my favorite eyeliner is Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. Ooh. Okay, so I just wanted to compare the felt tip because I loved the Kat Von D felt tip tattoo liner because the felt tip was so thin. But I see Fenty got them beat, honey. Fenty has them beat. This tip is like so freaking fine. I hope she does this in other colors too. Instead of doing 2 looks, let's use some more colors and zhuzh this up a little bit more. Let's put a little stank on it at the bottom. Cause it is a little boring. Like, for real, it's a little boring to me. So, let me see. I'm gonna go in with this really pretty blue here. Oh, yeah. They're, like, really intensified it. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, I've gotten eyeshadow in my eye before. And it never bothered me. As a matter of fact, I never even noticed it. But this is kind of making me tear up a little. Like, I have like really glassy eyes all of. Don't get this eyeshadow in your eye. Do not. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep going. But do not get eyeshadow in your eye. Hopefully my eyes don't get super puffy. Whoa. I'm out here taking risks, okay? I didn't know that I was taking. I didn't ask for that. Oh, I didn't ask for that. Like, I must have some sort of allergy to this because this is in my eye and it's really bothering me. Usually I can get eyeshadow in my eye and I don't even notice it. Like, my eyes aren't that sensitive, but whatever is in this is really bothering my eyes. Really bothering it. I'm trying to keep from having a tear fall because I don't feel like fixing it. Don't get this eyeshadow in your eyes. Do not get this eyeshadow in your eyes. Do not get this eyeshadow in your eyes. This eye look is really becoming like super pretty. Like, I'm actually kind of feeling it. Like, I like this eye better, again, without the extra primer. Having that extra layer on of this primer, of this eye primer, like when I put shadow over it, what I can see in the real life over here is that the eyeshadow ends up highlighting my lines in my eyes, like really highlighting them, like not making it look pretty. Like, it almost looks like a vein, and that's too noticeable for me to want to keep using this primer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish out my face, and I'm going to come back on here with you guys and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so here is my finished look, and yes, I have this extra Minted Mojito highlight over my lip because it looks really cute in person. I'm not sure how it's looking on camera. I'll look later, but whatever. This is how I'm gonna finish it out. Favorite to least favorite. So let's start with the Flyliner. The felt tip on this bad boy is cold-blooded. You can do a lot of eyeliner work with this. Sometimes with liquid liners, when you're trying to go over your eyeshadow, it just kind of blends in, and it kind of it doesn't stay black. It just blends in too much with your eyeshadows, and this one did not do that. The ink went right over the eyeshadow, and it looks very black still. Just the precision with this bad boy is the bomb. So if we're talking about second best out of everything that I tried, it would be the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette. So I will say that I like this palette a lot better than I like the Galaxy palette. That was the holiday collection. I really, really, really like the shimmer glitter payoff from these shadows. The mattes tend to blend in with each other. So I want my reds to be my reds, my purples to be my purples. Would I buy it again? Would I replenish this eyeshadow palette? No, I would not replenish it. Absolutely not. Sorry, it's not my favorite. There are just other eyeshadow palettes out there that are they're just killing it. Personally, I can't deal with the waterworks. And last but not least, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Amplified Eyeshadow Primer. That was a lot. I don't even know if I said that in the right order, but that is what this is called altogether. So I'm trying to think of other ways to use this. So here's the possible ways I could have liked this. Some people like to do their eyeshadow first and then apply the rest of their makeup. I don't do that. I don't mind doing my makeup that way, but I'm thinking about the everyday Britney. I'm thinking about the everyday girl. Sometimes the everyday girl ain't doing their eyeshadow first. Sometimes the everyday girl ain't doing that. Most of the time, I am always putting my foundation on first. I put my base on first. I do that. Then I go into my eyeshadow. And it says that this melts right into the skin. So that should, and I read that afterwards. So that should have let me know, okay, I should probably put this on first. I would probably just sweep that bad boy one time and then I wouldn't even pat it with my finger. Unless you like to do your eyeshadow first, then okay, go ahead. But even then, I still wouldn't do too much of that because, again, it's a little tacky. So I think this would be brilliant for glitters. And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead. We're going to test that real quick. As a matter of fact, we're going to test that. So the back of my hand has got all kind of issues on it from earlier. So you're just gonna put that right there. Glitter on my hand. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's just like a little light shine of glitter. I didn't go really heavy. I just wanted to see if it was gonna stick. Even when I rub it in. Like, it's rubbing in. So now that we finally tested that and got that out the way, first impressions, it's not my favorite, but it could possibly be my favorite for glitter application. So again, I will get back to you on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that bell so that every time I upload, you get a notification, because you want to know when I'm uploading, okay? Guys, we are almost at 400 followers. And to think, maybe just a couple weeks ago, we were at 231, and we've pretty much almost doubled that. So I am so grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for the shares. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the comments. I want to keep this conversation going in the comments below on this. Did you like the Moroccan Spice Palette? Have you tried it? Are you gonna try it? What do you think? How do you think my eyeshadow look came out? Tell me in the comments below. Did you love it? Did you hate it? You know, I want to know. I want to know what you think. Make sure you share this video, you guys. Gotta keep sharing. We gotta keep spreading the word about the fam with the Louise team. Oh. Y'all, did I mention like I was a rapper in my past life? In my past life, I was a freestyle artist. You know what I'm saying? I did this all day, every day. I had the time, okay? I don't have the time right now. I don't have the time, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, go ahead and watch a previous video, all right? All right. Bye-bye.